And thanks for joining us for Fox 4 News at 11. I'm Jane Monreal. The coronavirus pandemic has certainly taken a toll on the world. Here in Lee County, we've reached 100 COVID-19 related deaths. And tonight we're learning more about what that really means. For In Your Corner's Leslie Dellisbour spoke with an expert from FGCU, as well as a coronavirus survivor.
Coronavirus has left its mark here in Florida, infecting and killing over 2,300 people across the Sunshine State. But as of earlier today, Lee County has reached their 100 coronavirus-related death mark, being one of the highest-rated fatality communities in the state. Robert Hawks with Florida Gulf Coast University says this is not a surprise.
Certainly, we've seen the number of COVID cases increase, and as time spreads, certainly we're going to see the increase of the number of deaths.
However, when we look at the percentage of deaths and the number of deaths occurring daily, Hawk says we are dropping.
So in the past few days, it's been running 6 or so per day. I believe that's what it was yesterday. But when you look at from what the peak was a couple weeks ago, we've certainly come down in the number of people dying per day.
Hawk says we are in a better place now than we were 2 months prior.
Some of the early projections were actually going to be many more cases. But that was really kind of before we started to flatten the curve and really start to do social distancing and wear masks. So when we go back to what the projected numbers were in March, we're actually better off than we are now.
And Emily Alvarado agrees. Having recovered from the virus in late March, she says she is still feeling some of the effects.
I still find myself having to use an inhaler here and there. I can't really walk to a store and walk back without being out of breath. I haven't been coughing. I've been feeling pretty good. I'm still quarantined. I still stay inside. I wear a mask everywhere I go.
Having grown up here in Fort Myers, she is saddened by the news. But as one of the lucky survivors, she wants everyone to keep their guard up.
Protection is really important, and it's important to follow whatever they're telling us to do, because it's only gonna help it go faster,
Now, Hawks and Alvarado both stress the importance of social distancing and following all safety guidelines as the country begins to reopen. And be sure to stick with 4 in Your Corner for the latest on the coronavirus. In Cape Coral, Leslie Dellisbour, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
Thanks, Leslie.